Welcome to the 5-Star Method by Nerida Joy. The 5-Star Method is a package of 5 steps that I've put together with over 41 years of hands-on experience and over 100,000 facials. And I've taken these 5 steps to simplify them to make it easier for you guys. The reason why I have done this is because over the years I've had so many people ask me, how can I do this and how can I learn all of this? So this is something that I have simplified for you to help you in your treatment room. The first step is skin analysis. We all as esties know how important it is to be able to analyze somebody's skin and to be able to make the right choices from the beginning so that we know that the treatment we're going to be doing is going to be the most successful for our client. So analyzing somebody's skin and getting that right is really important. The second step is the preparation for the treatment, in how we prepare the skin, because everybody's different. So it's important to prepare somebody's skin in the right way so that we set up the right slate to be able to receive the nutrients and to be able to receive what we're going to be doing in our treatment. The third step is the treatment, the biggest part of the package, where you're going to be able to see a lot of different treatments and how I treat and how I perform my treatments, which is going to help you make your life easier to be able to do your treatments on your clients and be hugely successful. The fourth step is the education, the importance of you guys having the courage to be able to tell your clients what they need to be doing and how they should be taking care of their skin is really important. The final and last step is home care regimen. Now, you and I both know the importance of home care, because if our clients are not doing their home care regimen at home, they're not going to have successful results. It's really important, home care. That daily regimen, in setting that up for your client, is super important. So stay tuned for my package. It's coming really soon.